functions from algebra unit. This is for Maths-1A children. Please join me to watch this video. Please come online children. Come live for live session. Algebra functions chapter. So we are going to solve problems based on this topic, functions. Okay, watch complete video children. Join my video live session on topic Maths-1A algebra functions. Okay, let us solve this children. I am waiting for your comments. Please comment me. If you have any doubts, comment me in comment section. Please join my video algebra functions chapter. Very useful, important repeated questions I am going to solve here. Very useful video children for you. Intermediate maths algebra function chapter. Okay, now we can start now. Okay children, let us start this problem. Here what is given children, I have written already that if f is a function from R to R, g is a function from R to R is given, defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x equal to x square minus 2 is given here. Then find g circle f inverse of 2, and the second one is g circle f x minus 1 is given. First we are going to solve this children. Next second one. Okay, here given we have to write first. Okay, let us see this how to solve this functions problem. Very important question, repeated in many exams. Okay, first we have to write then f is a function from R to R and g is a function from R to R, means same mapping is given here children. So this is a bijective function, f is a bijective function and its inverse exists here. Okay, f is bijective function means same function here, R to R here. So f is bijective function. So we have inverse exists here, bijective function inverse exists, and what given here, and given that f of x equal to value 3x minus 2 and g of x equal to x square minus 2 is given, x square minus 1 is given children. Okay, already it is given, I have written here. Now let us take y is equal to f of x. Okay, y equal to f of x means y equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, 3x minus 2. Now y equal to 3x minus 2 is given, then inverse exists means y equal to this one, we can write it as y equal to f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, x equal to f inverse of y. From this we can take it as x equal to f inverse of y. This is equation 1. Okay, equation 1. Now, and we have what, y equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, from this I have taken x equal to f inverse of y. Again y equal to we have 3x minus 2. Okay, so from this we can have x equal to y plus 2 by 3. So this is also x value and this is also x value. Two equations are there, x equal to f inverse of y and x equal to y plus 2 by 3. Okay children, so please comment me if you have any doubts children, so that I can understand where you have doubts. This is very important question. Please watch full video so that you can understand properly. So now we have two equations. We can now solve this equation. From 1 and 2 equations, we have what? X equal to n, f inverse of y, x equal to y plus 2 by 3. Okay, now f inverse of y is equal to, equate these equations, y plus 2 by 3. Okay, we get what? We get f inverse of y equal to y plus 2 by 3. Equating these 1 and 2 equations, we have this value. So now same we can obtain f inverse of x equal to x plus 2 by 3. From this we can write easily, if y f inverse of y equal to this one, in place of x we can write this one. Okay, we have obtained these values. Now we can easily find this one. First, g of f inverse of 2. So we have f inverse of y and f inverse of x. So substitute this value in f inverse of g circle of, first we have to take this. Now we have to find what in question? G circle f inverse of 2. Write down this one. Now here G circle, okay children, G circle f inverse of 2. Okay, now what's this? We can write it as G circle means G of f inverse of 2. Okay, expand this, taking circle as bracket. Okay, G circle means bracket f inverse of 2. Okay, now two brackets are there. First value we have to simplify, inner bracket f inverse of 2 we have to solve. F inverse of 2 means, since we have f inverse of y is equal to x plus 2 by 3. Okay, in place of x we have what? 2. So substitute in this 2 value here. 2 plus 2 by 3. Okay, g of 4 by 3 we obtained. Okay, now what? G of 4 by 3 we have in question given that g of x equal to x square minus 1. So substitute in place of x we have to substitute 4 by 3. X square minus 1 means 4 by 3 whole square minus 1. Okay. Now 4 by 3 minus 1 means 16 by 9 minus 1, that is how much? 16 by this one is g of x equal to 16 minus 9, LCM 9 ones are 9 by 9 minus 16 minus 9, 7 by 9. So this one is what children? We obtain the value 7 by 9 here. G circle f inverse of 2 is value is 7 by 9. So now second one. This is first one. Now second one what? G circle f of x minus 1. Okay. G circle f of x minus 1 here. Okay, we have to take this circle as bracket, f of x minus 1. Now first solve this, curly brackets, first solve this what? F of x minus 1. After that we have to solve g of that value. Inner bracket we have to solve g of f of x minus 1 means, since we have f of x equal to what? 3x minus 2 is given. Okay, in place of x we have to write x minus 1. So what we have? 3 of x minus 1 minus 2. Now first simplify this. 3x minus 3 minus 2. This one what? G of 3x minus 5. Okay, now g of 3x minus 5 children, what we have in question? G of x equal to x square minus 1. So since g of x equal to, here we have x square minus 1, from question we have given that x square minus 1, that is g of x. So substitute this one is x. Okay, in place of x we have to write 3x minus 5. Okay, now substitute this 3x minus 5 whole square minus 1. So this one is what? 3x minus 5 whole square means a minus b whole square. 3 square into x square plus 25 5 square minus 2 3s are 6x into 5 minus 1. This one is 9x square plus 25 minus 1 means 24 minus 5 6 are 30x. This one is what? After simplifying we got plus 24. This is the equation we obtained, that is G circle f of x minus 2, x minus 1. What we have asked to find this one. So we obtain this value in the algebraic form. This is x square plus bx plus c, like this. So this is the way we have to find the functions if given circle G circle f or G circle f inverse. If given in the question in exam, we have to solve like this. We have to use the given functions. In question already given f of x equal to, we have to convert the value in this. Okay, g of x is given, substitute the obtained value in x place. Okay, first what we have done here, see children, let us take f of y equal to f of x I have taken, and f y equal to f in x equal to f inverse of y. So x equal to what? We take this x value from this equation, y equal to 3x minus 2, we obtained x value. So from these equations equate x value, we get f inverse of y, f inverse of x. So substituting the values we can find these two functions. Okay, like these questions are so many in textbooks, practice similar questions so that you can easily solve functions chapter. Okay, now another important one is simple questions we have in this chapter, children. So I have already another important question. This is also very important, repeatedly asked in many exams. So I am solving important questions only, children. Or this is also bijective mapping is given. Here function is given f of x equal to 4x minus 1 and g of x equal to x square plus 2 is given. Then find G circle f of x. Okay, this is another problem. So see here how to solve, children. F of x, f is mapping from R to R and G is mapping, and defined by f of x equal 4x minus 1 is given, g of x equal to x square plus 2. Okay, now we have to solve G circle f of x. So simply what given we have to write here in solution. F is from R to R, G is from R to R, bijective function, same mapping, and f of x equal to 4x minus 1 is given, children, and gx equal to, watch completely children so that you can understand easily, and every problem you can do by this using these problems. Okay, please, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates on my channel. Okay, f of x and g of x is given, children. Here first what we have to solve here, given is g circle f of we have to solve. So what we have to take out this circle as bracket, write down, and f of x as it is we have to write. First we have to solve this f of x, we have to solve, children. So as it is, g bracket of f of x means 4x minus 1. Okay, very easy chapter. G of x, we have what, since given in question f of x equal to 4x minus 1. Okay, now this one is g of x. G of x is given as x square plus 2. So this one is x, we have to Assume that this is x value. So in place of x we have to write 4x minus 1. Okay, write down x square means 4x minus 1 whole square plus 2 is there plus 2. Okay, since g of x is given. So now simplify, very easy children. If you understand this property how to solve this inner function, we have to take out first. After that outer function, that is g here, inner function is f here. Now 4x minus 1 whole square means a minus b whole square. 4 square x square plus 1 square minus 2 4 is 8x plus 2. So this is 16x square plus 1 minus 8x plus 2. This is how much? 16x square plus minus 8x. This one constant is plus 3. So this one is what we obtain the value g circle f of x is like this. We have to solve children. Very easy to use these functions given in question. We have to take in place of x we have to put this function. Okay, so in these questions so many problems are there like this. We can solve this also. Please try this one. f of x, f circle f of x means we have to take out circle as bracket and f of x we have to write first. After that another function f of x. Okay, please solve this function as a homework for you. Very easy functions chapter children. Please watch complete video so that you can understand how to solve these functions, f mapping and g mapping, algebraic functions topic chapter for maths 1B children. Please watch complete video, like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates on maths topics. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.